मुरगावचे मामलेदार प्रवीणजी पंडित यांच्या अध्यक्षतेखाला वेक्टरबॉर्न रोग नियंत्रणाविषयी बसका घेतली। पावसाळ्यात डेंग्यू मलेरिया सारखिले रोग पातळचे न्हय हे खातीर वेगवेगळ्या सरकारी खात्यांमंदी समन्वय नितळसाण मोहीम आणि मच्छर प्रजनन सुवातींचो नाश करप हाचेर भर दिलो। तशेंच येवपी वास्को सप्तकात नागरिकांमदी लोकजागृताय मोहीम सुरू करपाचो निर्णय घेतला।
With respect to prevention of vector-borne disease, health officers of health centers have attended the meeting. Goa Can representative Roland Martins were there. Officials from municipality also had attended the meeting and fisheries department. So during the meeting, we have reviewed the action taken by the concerned department to prevent vector-borne diseases, and we have seen that health officials have taken action. They have disseminated the information to the general public, particularly in the rural belt area, especially in Gwarinagar, Mongur area, where a lot of migrant influx is there. To prevent vector-borne diseases, they have conducted a lot of awareness activities. We have seen that especially areas such as Gwarinagar, some people are storing water in barrels which are kept open. So sufficient awareness activities have been undertaken by the health officials to inform these people not to store water and keep it in an open barrel. Set up a stall also for the upcoming Saptah festivities. We have seen that lot of activities are carried out by the health officers to disseminate the information regarding preventive measures to be undertaken to prevent occurrence of vector-borne disease. But these are not highlighted in the local media news channel. And so we have told the health officers whenever they are conducting these activities in their respective direction, involve the stakeholders, involve the reporters of print and electronic media, so that the message reaches to the general public.
आमचे वाड्यान केसी ना तितली, सो आमी विशय केसीचो न्हू, आमकां दिसता की बाबा तुका अवेरनेस आहा की ना, की डेंगू कशें जाता, मलेरिया कशें जाता, तुज्या घरान तुज्या फॅमिलीन कशें आमी हें करपाक. सो another area we have discussed today is about involving housing societies, particularly in Vasco municipal area. In the housing society 25-50 फ्लॅटां आसता, we can reach the message to them. आणि त्याच बरोबर रेल्वेज, एअरपोर्ट, जे असे बिग ऑर्गनायझेशन आसा तेंचो नेव्ही, कोस्टगार्ड तेंचो आमी हेल्प मागतले. कित्याक सी जितल्या घरान हे मेसेज पावूंक शकता न्हू, इट विल बी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. आनी आमी जेन्ना पार्टिसिपेट करता आमी एकूच नदरेन पळयता की इट इज अ कन्ज्युमर इशू, हेल्थ एंड सेफ्टी ऑफ द कन्ज्युमर. सो गिरायकांक जितली नॉलेज मेळटा आनी गिरायक आपलो प्रयत्न करता की बाबा टेक स्टेप्स डावन वेदर इट इज गार्बेज. सो फॉर एक्झाम्पल जुवारीनगर वी वॉन्ट टू मेक बीग एफर्ट देर टू रिड्यूस द जे आमी म्हणटात सोर्स रिडक्शन. जे कचरो जर जमता थंय तर आमी वी शूड ट्राय टू क्लियर इट. देन एबंडन व्हेकल्स. सो एबंडन व्हेकल्स आमी लिस्ट आतां थारोवपाक थारायला की वॉर्ड वायज खंयची एबंडन लेबर आनी तांकां ते एबंडन गाडयो जे उरतात न्हू ते कशे स्क्रॅप करपा जाता. बिकॉज देर इज अ व्हेरी गूड स्कीम नाव, मिराय म्हणून एक स्क्रॅप करपाची फेसिलिटी आसा मडकय. सो हाव दीस इन्फॉर्मेशन कॅन बी शेअर्ड. खूब लोकांक कितें आसा गाडी थंयच उरले, दे डोंट नो वॉट टू डू विथ इट.